Should have got the tram.
It's not big and it's not clever. Oh my God, I just need to be on level ground. I think we've had too many pies. Gonna trip out, aren't we?
To make this collaboration video.
Gonna do something we're not done for a good few years, have we?
No, we haven't.
If we don't make it, call for an ambulance or maybe a helicopter. Mark's really keen. If we get there. If the brakes don't fail or the tyre doesn't pop or... We have done our checks though, haven't we?
Yeah, turned the key, it started. It's good enough for me. Feels a bit tight actually.
What do you mean it feels a bit tight?
As in I'm trying to rev it, it doesn't really want to go anywhere.
Well, I don't know what tight means, do I? I'm not a mechanic.
No comment.
Best to leave it there,
The best to just leave it there.
Oh, is it warm in here, is it me? Oh, there's another motorhome, gonna wave. Oh no, they don't know the code.
They don't know the code.
Let's do this.
So what are we doing?
We're having a walk.
It's a long way up. I'm trying to get through a kissing gate and hold the camera.
I think we've had too many pies. This is a tiny little gate.
And it's not easy.
Thing is, not to look up.
The best thing is we should have got the tram.
Will you wait for me?
Really didn't realise. But I think the last part we're going to have to do on our hands and knees. It really is a steep. Crawling up on the hands and knees. The things we do for this collab video. To bring some entertainment on your TV.
There's a Tesco van down there.
I wonder if he's got any coffee on board.
Oh,
This cafe's not open when we get to the top.
We could give up here.
Now we're going thousands of feet into the air for the cafe, aren't we?
Yeah. Oh my God. Oh shit. Oh,
So this is where the climb,
Jesus.
really starts to get steep. I'll be honest with you, I'm just going to get my claim in now. This was not my idea.
I said you would.
Whose idea was it? Won't take long, she said.
Well, it hasn't taken us that long. We're just not at the top yet, are we?
This is the bit where it's going to get really steep.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Babe, shall we just stay here?
No, come on.
Who needs a coffee?
Me.
We can have a coffee in the van.
We got no milk.
Oh shit. We've got no milk.
We got no milk.
Black.
No,
Drink
don't
it
do black.
I'm serious now. This isn't funny anymore. Wow. Look at the view.
Wow.
I'll just show you. Whew. Oh my God. Can you see in the valley? In the valley? In the Valley of Wales. Oh my God.
Yeah, we've come a long way. And we ain't got much more to go, babe. Come on, no give it up now.
Oh, don't. My legs are still cramped. Ah!
Don't get an illness up here now. We need a helicopter to rescue you at this point.
Oh my God. Hold that.
For God's sake, don't fall.
We'll film it just in case. Don't want you missing it at this stage.
I think this is getting the better of you, isn't it?
Huh? I don't like these hills. It's the freaking height.
You alright?
No, I'm scared now. Ah!
We're going to get blown off the top in a minute.
I literally am.
Right, give us your selfie stick.
Let me get to this bit.
Look at this, the height that we've come to now. So, we're quite high up. However, we've still got a bit of a steep climb to the top, haven't we, love?
Oh my God. I just need to be on level ground.
Level ground.
I'm scared.
We've done well. Do you want to go that way? Or do you fancy going that way?
I don't know. The quickest.
I think it's there and then just something which looks like the peak there. What are you saying, babe?
I can see the tram. The tram.
You can see the tram.
Yeah.
There we go, Mountain Railway Tram and Cafe. We made it.
We're not there yet.
We're not there yet, and we're almost there. The question now is, will the cafe be open?
Is it closed?
I don't know. Probably. The last little flat bit.
Oh my God. My legs are like jelly. We're not fit enough.
Are you proud of yourself?
I am.
We made it.
I lost my hat.
You lost your hat. I think I see someone sat in the cafe, so we might be last, but we made it. I'll tell you what, I've never worked so hard for a coffee. So we made it. 2,037 feet above sea level to the highest summit on the Isle of Man. Did you bring a sticker? Because everyone's been putting stickers on the high top posts over there.
No way.
And we're going to have to go back down, get a sticker and come back.
Don't even think about it.
Come and have a look.
This is so amazing that we walked up here.
Come on, let's go for a coffee.
I'm wanting to get the tram back down there, but don't want to walk.
Okay.
Don't make me do it, my legs are like jelly. If you're wondering what's at the top of Snaefell, it's a lovely little cafe, look.
Thank God it's open.
We just grabbed a quick coffee because we're going to get the tram back down any minute. They even buy a souvenir up here. Anyway, let's go outside with these coffees because it's roasting in here, isn't it?
Right, come on, let's get on this tram. It's a bit loud, but we decided we weren't going to walk back down, we were going to get the tram.
Welcome to the Snaefell Mountain Railway.
Enjoyed the ride down?
Yeah, really did.
Well worth it?
Better than walking.
Yeah, although your hat's still up there somewhere. But we're damned if we're going back up there to try and find the hat, are we?
No. Now we've recovered from our walk up the mountain,
Just
our
about.
trek, we're going to make a pie. Pie in the sky.
Two miracles are actually going to happen here today. One, I've been with Debbie for 16 years now, and it's taken this long for you to make me a pie. And two, do you really know your way around the kitchen? Because normally it's me that does the cooking.
And I made the pastry myself.
I'm expecting really great things.
This is part of a collaboration video, isn't it?
It is, yeah, in collaboration with a few of the YouTubers, aren't we?
Yep. And they're going to be doing the same subject. Life Munchies, going to let you know what their favourite munchies are in the van. So it'll be interesting to see what they do.
Definitely.
Eat. Yeah, so anyway, I'm going to get on with this pie now. So
while you go with the pie, I'm going to put all the logos up in the corner of the screen so you can see exactly who's in the collaboration group. So I'm just going to put the indents up in the corner of the screen. I was just going to let it play. It wasn't going to be on permanently while you're cooking. Why is it when we're recording you have to start asking questions and interrupting? Just do it.
I'm going to slap you. Get at me, mate.
So while the pie starts cooking, we'll put all the logos up in the top corner of the screen so you can see exactly who's in the group, and I'll put a list of everybody down in the description.
Things I do to make a pie for you.
Well, I've waited a long time.
I'm going to mix my cheese, which I've already grated. Got to show you my gadget. Seen it on the TikTok shop, but we can't buy TikTok in the Isle of Man. TikTok don't post to the Isle of Man. But quite a good addition to the van.
Come round.
Have a look. It comes with all these little gadgets. So they slot in and clip in like that. So that's me chopper. Me chopper. And then you've got other ones that slice, like potatoes and stuff. And you sit it on there like that. Are you ready for this? Da, 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 da. Boom! It's in there. Do the second one so you can see it again. Ready? And there is your onion. How good is that? So literally that's chopped my onion in seconds. I'll tip all that cheese in there. So I've got to mix this round. And I'm going to mix that with some pepper. Bit of black pepper. We always struggle with this one.
It's empty, that's why.
It's not, I filled it up.
Oh, did you?
Listen. Anyway, is that coming out? No.
It is, because I can see it on the cheese.
Oh, is it? A little bit of Dijon. It's the only thing about motorhomes, you don't have big enough bowls. We need to get one of those collapsible bowls. If you've got any good recommendations for one, give us a shout, because we wouldn't mind one that goes in the motorhome, that fits in the cupboard, that sort of makes it into a big enough bowl. I'm going to put an egg in now. This just helps bind everything together. Put this on. Put your hands in. Mix the egg. Cheese. I'm trying not to spill it everywhere, so you'll have to just bear with me. But you're going to appreciate it though, hon.
Do you think?
Yeah.
I know, as I said, I was expecting great things, but I mean, right now it doesn't look like it's going that well.
Trust me.
Yeah.
You know, I've done things before and they have worked out quite well.
You know when you said you went to catering college, did they throw you out or did you just leave of your own accord?
It'll be tasty, that's the main. Right, I'm going to put the mixture into the pie. So that's just cheese, Dijon mustard, bit of pepper, chopped onion.
I like pie.
Right, we're back in a minute. We're just going to clean up and get plaster for my finger. Welcome back, guys. We're going to make the top now for our pie. Here we go. I look like I know what I'm doing. Voila! Do a couple of air holes in it just to let some steam out. There is the pie.
A Wandering Wilds cheese and onion pie.
Yeah, so it's going in the oven. Guessing, gas mark 6.5. I like to
6 3/4.
I like to split hairs. So gas mark 6.5, and I'm going to try it for like 20 minutes. Look at that. I'm going to show you a little gadget for your van. Okay, so this rolls up in the drawer, and it's brilliant because it stops you burning anything when you put hot things on your work surface, and you can extend it over your sink. So I'm going to pop that down like that. It's got silicone on either end. I'm going to put my pie on it. Look at that bad boy. One cheese and onion pie. How does that look?
Here's one we made earlier. I've always wanted to say that.
Hey, I didn't do a bad job, did I?
Not bad. The proof is in the pudding. We've got to taste it yet.
But I'm proud of that.
A Wandering Wilds cheese and onion pie.
Pie in the sky. Best of 3.
So Van Life Munchies go-to snacks for us is squashies. So
Best of
usually,
3.
What? Best of 3? I'm rubbish at this. You just got a big gob. Hit my tongue. So did that one.
Don't try this at home. It's not big and it's not clever. Yes! Oh yeah! Best of 3. Oh! I've won. I am a champion. And there you have it. Keep yourself amused in the van when it's pissing down. Got the pie now. Very crispy pastry. Would you like to try it?
Absolutely would love to try your cheese and onion pie.
But did you hear the crunch on that pastry?
I did hear the crunch on the pastry. It did sound very good. And if you haven't guessed now by watching this, my mouth is watering.
Now, it might be a bit hot, so you're going to have to watch your mouth, yeah?
Okay, never mind that. Come on, I can handle it.
Wide.
Oh, that's good. I wouldn't say it was worth waiting 16 years for, but it's good. Try a piece of that pie.
Is it nice?
It's lovely. Careful, it's a bit hot.
Are you impressed with my homemade pastry?
I'm very impressed.
Wow.
Was it good?
I did tell you, my cheese and onion pie is good.
Very nice. Very, very nice. Right, anyway, that's enough. You don't want to see me drooling over hot pie. So this video is in collaboration with other YouTubers. We'll put their logos up on screen. Please go and check out what those guys are saying. We'll also put links to their channels down below in the description.
We will.
Thanks for watching.
For now, see you later.
Catch you on the next one.